Rodney, Otis. Otis. Come here. Otis bed. Come on. Let's go. Oh. Rodney. Come here. You like your house? Otis, come here. Stubborn dog. Got it finished. It was finished yesterday, kinda. Not too bad for my first time shingling by myself. Not hard. Oops, I did mess up. Woo, look at that. Overgapped the shit out of it. Or undergapped, whatever they want to call it. But this here, the way that the board's measured out, I didn't have enough to cover the top all the way across. So I put this asphalt aluminum tape on it. And when the sun heats it up, it'll stick down really good and won't allow any water penetration past this point. And kind of brought it around on the flashing. Yeah, it looks like shit. Oh well. But brought it along the flashing, then folded over. Very expensive stuff, man. It's like $30 a damn roll. I used half a roll just for this. But it didn't get too hot today. The sun wasn't, the rays weren't coming through very well. So it didn't get all the way sealed. Still a couple little bubbles. But yeah. Dog's got a dog house and he wants to lay in the mud or the dirt. Rodney, come here. Come here, Rodney. Otis! What up, baby? Otis bed. Otis bed. Rodney bed. Rodney bed. Rodney bed. Otis. What you doing, boy? Oh, gosh. Oh, lover bugs. Oh, lover bugs. Oh, gosh. Get your stinky breath out of my face. It's a stinky breath. Go brush your teeth. Go brush your teeth. Go brush your teeth. Oh, God. Oh, scratch it back. Oh, yeah. I thought of, actually, my buddy Eric. He gave me a great idea because have the nails that come through when I did the shingles. What I'm going to do, they have 1-inch insulation, like the foam stuff that you put on the outside of the wall before you do stucco or anything like that. And I'm going to cut pieces and just push it up into the nails. It should hold. Yeah, a lot of nails. Yeah, overkill on the nails, I know. But, hey, it works. I got this entire yard to play in. Me and my wife and I put all these poles up and fencing in about 2.5 hours. It's not perfect, but it keeps the dogs inside. Come on, boys. Rodney, look, stick. Now he'll eat it. Hey! What are you doing? Come here. Here's your stick. Whoa! Hey! Get back! Get it! Damn! Almost got me on the arm. Oh, it is! There he goes, off to the races. Happy boys. Yes, they are. Go. Ready? The little dog, Otis, he is the oldest. And he likes to take over. Hey, stick. Ready? Get the stick. Get it. Ready? Ah, they just love it. Beautiful day. Had to cut 2 branches off of the tree. One of them cracked and hit the roof of the house, so it was enough of that. Time to come down. But this is what I got left out of the 2 big branches. Tomorrow, yard cleanup, mowing, weed eating, getting all this stuff put back in the house or in the garage. For the next project, who knows, I might need this wood. Who knows, I might give it away. Thanks for watching.